So my girls are on their way over really soon, and I thought I would make espresso martinis for them because it's one of my favourites. But I don't have one of these fancy pants espresso machines. But somebody did tell me that this King Brown apparently makes really, really good espresso martinis. This is an espresso mixer, so if you don't have a sexy coffee machine, this is what you need. So I'm going to give it a go. So they have the recipe right here on the back. Start with 60 mils of this. And I think that's 2 of these. So let's go 1 and 2. It smells really nice. Okay, so that's that. Then I need, what is it? 30 mils of vodka, which will just be 1 of these. A little bit extra, it's fine. And then, what are we on? 15 mils of a coffee liqueur. Like that. And that is it. So, now I need, it says shake, strain, serve. So before I shake it, I'm gonna add some ice. I think I'll go for 3. Now for my favorite part. Okay. I think you shake for about 5 seconds or so. Okay. Rough. That is some seriously good foam. Seriously. Right, now, strain it says, which I need my strainer for. Okay, and this. Let's see how this goes. Woohoo! Look at that. Now, for the finishing touch, I know like proper espresso martinis have a bit of coffee or like a coffee bean or whatever. I don't have that, but I've been told chocolate works really well. So I've got this really nice dark chocolate, and I'm just gonna grate some on top. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a perfect espresso martini. All right, now to taste it, right? Let's go. Oh, that's really good. That's really good. Cheers.